What's your name? Robbie. Dear viewers, you know that my name is Rabiullah. He's Robbie. Comes from Singapore and what's your name?
Finn from
Finn
Germany.
from Germany. They come in our village for making a documentary to solve the problem of the person who go to abroad. Now we are going to the people who wanna go abroad and who went to abroad this time. We trust and the person committed various types of to us such as he will return the money, full money, he will arrange the perfect job which is written in the visa, and if he don't find any job or any work, he will arrange another job, and there are lots of commitment he gave us. But it's not but no, anybody they reach there in Saudi Arabia and they don't find the correct person. So nice. And since as the person is well known to us and he is our neighbor or our relatives, and that's why there is no other need why we are trusting him. And we trust him and we cheated. The people who want to business by visa, and they firstly ask to give them the passport, and they take 15 or 20,000 taka. It's normal, and the person who want to go abroad by trusting they get the money, and it's take 1 year, 2 years past, but they don't give them the visa. And this is one kind of business. And recently there are 3 or 5 people tell me that this case, and I may always say that don't trust any local person, please. There are lots of websites, there are lots of trusted agencies, please go there, but they don't find any way.
Do you know any trusted agencies?
No, I know, but I know via in Facebook or YouTube there's a website. So there one website, Singaporean Malaysian website, government approved website. But the local people are illiterate. That's why they don't know the website. And go to the proper process. That's why they are every time they are cheated by the local people.
So these websites, they, for example, will show in Saudi Arabia that these are the agencies that you should work with.
Yes. Actually, there are 2 processes to go in Singapore. Okay, and mainly skill and unskilled. Okay, and the people who take skill, they can easily go to Singapore. They have to apply by agencies in companies, and there are written documents, and if they pass, then they can go Singapore. And the person who goes Singapore easily find the same work. And the person who are unskilled and they face difficult facilities in Singapore, and sometimes they are cheated by the agencies or the owner who rent the worker. And my friend is a skilled person, and I don't face any difficulties. But recently he said me he had a problem, and one of his relatives can't the visa because he is a skilled person, but he again and again they rejected his application. And but the people who want to go Singapore, they hardly don't do rejected by the they say not the people, but mainly the local people rejected by the Saudi Arabia, Dubai and other people. But Singapore they don't. But the money, the businesses or the people who take them, the money is high. 12 lakh or 10 lakh a month.
But 12 years ago, right?
Yes.
Now it's
only
now very expensive. Now
They were in 2006. My 2 brothers went to Singapore only 1 lakh.
okay.
But at this time it's a rise in 12 lakh.
That's very helpful. How you paid for the visa in the beginning?
Beginning, actually, I don't know, but my friend who work for the workers, he told me that mainly they have paid 4 lakh or 5 lakh, but the agencies take the over money for the workers, from the workers.
Makes sense. And for yourself, did you take BRAC loan or something like this? You pay yourself? And if you have and did you sell it or you just you had some savings?
Singapore process is very easy. But they only IP. What is the problem of IP? IP meaning IP.
What is IP?
IP means when a person pass the skill and unskilled, there are two types: skilled and unskilled.
So you have to do the IP to be
Yeah, and then you have
IP
to
is like a test.
How did you send how much of your monthly you pay daily? Okay. But how much of your salary did you send back to your family? Like
Your salary in 1 month was how much?
Plus minus 1,500 have. Sometimes don't have many. 1,000. 2,000 also have.
Okay.
Some more also have. Some less also have.
Average maybe 1,500 to that.
But there are lots of institutions who make the workers skilled, and they take the money 5 lakh contract for 5 lakh. But
they don't
whenever they appear in the examination, when the buyer come here to take the exam, but they sometimes they failed in the exam because whenever they failed the exam, they will pay more than 5 lakh or 7 lakh.
and which service did you how did you send the money back? Was it bank transfer?
Okay, we passed a very splendid time, Mr. Robi and Mr. Finn and Akash. Akash is the guide for them. I come from Dhaka. Okay. So I will miss you.
I will miss you too.